The Events add-on provided by the Coachify Pro plugin will add a custom post type called Events on the site dashboard. You can use this post type to add event or activity details of your business, which you can further highlight on the Events page. To access the Events add-on from your WordPress admin dashboard, navigate to Appearance and go to Coachify. Click on Add-ons. Here, you will have to enable the Events option in order to get the Events add-on to work. All you have to do is enable the toggle. After which, you will see that the active button will change to deactivate, which means the Events add-on has successfully been activated. Now, I will show you how to create an event. To create or add events, you'll just have to scroll to the top, and here you will find Events menu on the sidebar. So hover your cursor over Events and you will see the option to add new event. Just click on it. Now add the title of the event as well as the content. Now, from your right hand side, click on the Event Details setting. Here, you can select and enter the additional information, such as the start date, start time of the event, you can also add the details of the organizer and location of the event. So let me just add the organizer as WordPress and location as Kathmandu. After you are done, click on the Publish button to save the changes. Now, I will show you how to add an events page. So for that, you'll have to go back to the dashboard home. Now navigate to Pages and click on Add New. Here, you have to enter the page title. So let's add the title as Events page. And now on the right hand side, from Template, you just click on Default Template first. And here you will have the option to select a template. Just click here inside of this box on the drop down arrow and make sure you select Event page. Now you have to click on the Publish button. The event page has been created and published. Now let's view the page in the new tab in the front end. And here you will see under the events page, here is the event that we just added. The title, the content or the description of the event, the date that we set, along with the time and the day. Next, let's configure event page settings. Once you add the events and set up the event page, you can configure the event page settings. To access the event page settings, if you are on the dashboard, so let's go back to our admin dashboard, back to dashboard home. All you have to do is, from under Appearance, you'll have to click on the Customize button. But because we have Events page opened up here in the new tab in the front end, and we also have the Customize button accessible to us from the top bar, I will just click on the Customize button to access the customizer. Under Additional Settings, you will find the options for Event Page Settings. The first option is Featured Event. From here, you can select an event to be featured on the event page. All you have to do is click on Choose, and from here you can select one of the events that you have created. Since we have only created one event, only that particular event is being displayed in the drop-down menu. But as you keep on adding more events, they will display here and you can choose from one of them. Then you can select the featured event subtitle. To change it, just remove the text or subtitle that is already here and add in the title of your choice. You can then also change the featured event button label from here. By default, more details is the featured event button label. You can just remove the label that is already here and type in or just add in the featured event button label of your choice. Next are the settings for upcoming events. So to display the upcoming events, I will just go to the top and I will unselect the featured event, which will display the upcoming event settings. So the section title is upcoming events. To replace it, you have to do the same. Just remove the title and add in the title of your choice. Then you can also add the section description. Simply type the description inside of this box. So if I type these are the lists of upcoming events, that is what will be displayed here. Then you can also select events per page. If you have created more events, you can select the number of events that displays per page. Currently, we only have created one event, so we only have one that is being displayed here. Then you can also select the order in which the upcoming events will be displayed. It can be ascending or descending. You can also change the button label from more details to anything else. Just remove the label that is already here and add in the label of your choice. Similarly, you also have the past event settings. First of all, you can allow or disallow the past events to be displayed here by enabling or disabling the toggle. If you enable this toggle, then all of the events that have already occurred in the past will also be displayed here. And if you disable it, they will not be displayed. You can then select the section title of the past events, add in the section description in the same way I added description for the upcoming events. You can select events per page. You can select the order in which the past events will be displayed. You can then select the event label and you can rename event slug. After you are done, just click on the publish button to save all of the changes.